How to replace the Human Touch ALTUS armrest covers. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, raise the armrest and, if necessary, the tray. Now, remove the 4 screws that secure the armrest cover to the chair, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. Lower the armrest, then pull down on the tray release lever to lower the tray. Now, insert a flathead screwdriver between the edge of the armrest and the armrest cover and gently pry the cover away from the armrest. Do this on both sides of the armrest. Once the armrest cover is detached, lift it off the armrest and disconnect the connector to free the cover from the chair. To install the new armrest cover, first connect the connector to the corresponding connector on the chair. Place the armrest cover into position on the armrest, then push down firmly until you hear it snap into place. Next, raise the armrest and the tray, then replace the 4 screws to secure the armrest cover to the armrest. When you're done, lower the armrest and the tray. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. And we're done.